Well, I'm trying. I'm trying so hard to stay in the village and finish school. Even there is no road, no street light, so I must go to the school by dark through the woods alone. There, we don't have a decent classroom, no gym, and no science cabinet. Instead, we have a lot of dangerous wild animals walking near the school on the school's playground. We have trouble with the toilets, with heating, etc. Someone told me that I have to quit, that I, as child from village, can't do it, cannot be as good in school as my friends from town. When people ask me why I need school when I live in village and I will stay there, well, I need knowledge, so I can improve my life and the life of my parents. I already help my parents with account and investments, so we now have a lot of cows which give us money for the life and other investments. And I'm asking myself, what would people from town do if they don't get meat, cheese, and other products from village? So I need your help to support me in my education in school in village, to get the same education as my friends in town, and to stay in village on which you also depend. Am I asking too much?